God looked down, saw the world, people fighting, hearts all cold. Noah stood out so bold. Listen close to what was told. Build an ark nice and strong. Take the animals all along. Pairs of two won't be wrong. Rain will fall for very long. Animals, 2 by 2, marching in right on cue. Giraffes, lions, and kangaroos on the big boat brand new. 40 days, nights of rain, Noah's family did sustain. Wave goodbye to all the pain. Sunshine coming back again. Rainbows bright overhead. God's promise, it is said. New beginning, no more dread. Peace and love the way ahead. Animals, 2 by 2, marching in right on cue. Giraffes, lions, and kangaroos on the big boat brand new. 40 days, nights of rain, Noah's family did sustain. Wave goodbye to all the pain. Sunshine coming back again. Sunshine coming back again. Mountains high, waters low. As the ark began to slow, dove flew out, back did go, with an olive branch to show. Noah's heart filled with grace, as they stepped on solid place. Thank the Lord for saving grace, left behind the storm's embrace. Mountains high, waters low, as the ark began to slow. Dove flew out, back did go, with an olive branch to show. Noah's heart filled with grace, as they stepped on solid place. Thank the Lord for saving grace, left behind the storm's embrace. Land so green, sky so clear, future bright, no more fear. Every creature held so dear, living in a world sincere. Life renewed, a fresh start. Every beast played its part, guided by a loving heart. From the ark they now depart. Animals, 2 by 2, marching in right on cue. Giraffes, lions, and kangaroos on the big boat brand new. God's plan strong and true, for every creature, me and you. Through the storm we all flew.